This is question number 5 from homework, section 9.2. The data from a simple random sample with 25 observations, so n is given to be 25, was used to construct the plot given below. The plot is given here. So this is the normal probability plot. If you remember in 7.3, we learned that how we can figure out from normal probability plot that if the data is coming from a normal population or not. So the normal probability plot was constructed as a correlation coefficient of 0.940. Judge whether the t-interval could be constructed using the data in the sample or not. Now, the t-interval can be constructed. You remember the third condition, that the data should be almost normal or the sample should be large. The sample is not large enough. It's 25, which is less than 30. We consider 30 to be large, right? So we want it to be normal. Correlation coefficient has to be more than the critical value. Let's see what is the critical value. For 25 data points, it's 0.959. So we can see that 0.959 is the critical value and correlation coefficient is 0.940, which is not more than 0.959. So we can say does not suggest the data could come from normal population because 940 is less than 0.959 and the box plot. So if you see, the box plot should not have any outliers if you want to apply the t-distribution for smaller data set, and it does have outliers, so t-interval could not be constructed in this particular case. So for t-interval to be constructed, we want the third condition. If the data is not large enough, we want normal distribution and no outliers. Okay. So in this case, it's not suggesting a normal distribution. So we can, and also there are outliers in the box plot. If you see this point is outside, so that means we cannot construct t-interval. Okay, that's it.